Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Equinox LS. This front wheel drive vehicle has 20,010 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, solar absorbing glass, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our half gray, half jet black with a white lining interior throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, your standard push to talk, and cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.